power dynamics and heaviness are not optimal, right? Actually, this seems pretty good. Oh my gosh! All right, it still takes off. There we go.
And have you got into it? Have you floored it? There you go. There you go.
That's about 25% of the throttle.
Oh my God. You felt that, yeah?
Hell yeah. Okay. I'm feeling a little bit of that 0 to 60 and 3. That sat me back in my seat. My hair blew back. My hair can't even blow. My hair blowing, man. This is all right. I'm blending in with the cars. We got the red on, bro. Y'all got me on Red Friday. Hype.
All right. Well, first off, what are your initial impressions of the Chevelle?
Well, it's my initial impression on looking at it is that it's gorgeous. It's a beautiful vehicle. Coming inside, it looks very like, I don't know, the way a Chevelle you would think would look. Drives fantastic. Probably better than any Chevelle that's ever been made drive.
Yeah, it's been a long time since I've been in an old Chevelle.
Yeah.
I'm so excited. I've been excited to get a chance to ride in this car for a long time. Oh, it's so cool.
You know what SS stands for?
Of course. My pops had an SS when he was in college. Went down to Pitt State. Super Sport. Pew, pew. Try a harder question than that. What y'all doing, man? Y'all playing with me? Come on, man. Give me some difficult ones, bro. Chris Good, you should have known that.
Emmanuel was talking about it. Students get a lot more out of this than obviously just restoring a car, don't they?
What impact do you think that kind of hands-on experience has on young people, especially those who don't really get those opportunities?
Oh my goodness, I think it's everything. I mean, teamwork, collaboration, creative thinking, all of that I think is really baked into those kinds of programs. And I think that those are skills that employers look for, you know, really. That's what makes you stand out. Being able to say you've worked on a team or you collaborated on a project or you built something, and, you know, I just think that's so cool. And then being able to tell the story about it too, I think it's got a huge impact. I mean, I would hope that everyone that participates in MINDDRIVE really kind of approaches life with a little more confidence and a little more swag in their step, and, you know, I think it just creates opportunities for whatever a student or a young person wants to create for their life.
I didn't know what I was in store for fully coming today, and seeing it firsthand has been eye-opening and just really cool to witness how many talented kids are in MINDDRIVE and at Operation Breakthrough, and everything that's being taught and the hands-on experience. It's been awesome to see.
So any investment at Operation Breakthrough, the Ignition Lab, all these things is an investment in people. And people are our most important asset in Kansas City. They're our most important asset as churches. And so anything we can do to support this project in particular and see more of these kind of projects happen in the future. And all this, and it's fun. You have a chance to invest in something. Maybe you actually win the raffle, who knows, but certainly to invest in the lives of students, of our community, and that student or these students are going to go out and they're going to make a difference. They're going to invest. They're going to spend the rest of their lives investing in other people. I mean, the ripple effect of what happens at Operation Breakthrough is huge. It's enormous.
To support a place that is actually teaching kids not just the STEM side of things and the math and all these other things, but also giving them hands-on work so that they can take those skills and apply them in that field or any other field, I think is potentially even more important in some ways.
Well, first of all, the fact that it was transformed by students is amazing. It's a miracle. And this thing is, I mean, it just shows the potential of the students at Operation Breakthrough and the Ignition Lab. So I think that by itself, this is a one-of-a-kind car. How cool is that?
I think when you think about diversity, it's not just our skin color, it's not just orientation, it's not just belief systems, it's also your skill sets and your talents and how you view the world. And so I think to find creative solutions, you have to think divergently. And I think diversity is an inherent piece of that. So when you think about the team that helped to build this over the course of 3 years, you have people that have one way of doing things and another person comes up with a different idea, a different perspective. And it is the collision of those ideas that really birthed a beautiful, crafted car like this, because you were able to challenge status quo, push ideas and push thinking.
I don't really have anything bad to say about education. I just know that trying to change education is like trying to turn around the Titanic. And so whenever you can enhance, public education with programs like MINDDRIVE and Operation Breakthrough and the Ignition Lab, I think we should do it. I mean, if you can improve education in your own community, we should definitely do it. Why not?
By the time that I'm done with MINDDRIVE, like, I don't know if this car will be done by the time that I'm done being a student. So sitting in the car my senior year and driving around in it is just so crazy, because it's like something that I imagined coming true.
It was kind of hard for me to imagine it, I guess, finished and driving, like, because of how much work I put into it. To see it like actually moving is different.
This whole project, the fact that it's done by high school, is blowing my mind. Because, I'll see the different things on YouTube done by like full-on professional, like restoration groups. Like, this is what people do for a living. And this seems better, if not right up there with anybody else that does this stuff out in the real world. So
It's pretty sweet, man. I like this a lot. I appreciate you guys giving me the chance to be a part of this and to help you and your students hopefully raise money and keep on going, keep on LIVIN, living and building projects.
I mean, I'm hyped just in the car, man. This is great.